Friedman. My background is project management. I come from a technical background many years ago, but then I got into project management and I've done a few project management certifications, and I really enjoy that area of expertise. One of the reasons why I came here today is that from a project management point of view, I want to work on some AI projects. And for me, myself, it's very important to understand what AI is all about, because as you can appreciate, when you've got a team of people, technical people, you want to understand what they're doing more. So it, in effect, it makes you enable to resolve problems and different issues, whether technical or people issues, more effectively for the project that you're working on. Okay, my understanding of AI from coming to this event is that it gives me a bit more of a background in terms of how the nuts and bolts of AI fit together, either from a technical point of view or a higher level point of view. So they say knowledge is power, and from a project management point of view, which is what I'm in, it enables me to get people to work more effectively and understand what they're doing and what I've got to do overall from a project management point of view. One of the reasons why I came to this is that I'm not a coder. I used to be many years ago, but I'm more of a people manager, and I've had a variety of contracts. And as a project manager, which is what I am, you've got to understand, I believe, understand what you're doing at various levels. Because when you're managing people, you've got to understand whether they're working effectively or not, and you've got to be able to call them out if they're not doing their job properly. So from coming to something like this is you don't have to be a coder. You can come from anywhere. Even when you're changing your careers or something like that, I found something like this gives you an insight about AI and how it all fits together. So that's why I think something like this is very important to all sorts of people from all walks of life. Okay, one of the things that I like AI, how effective it is that it can give you ideas. It can be creative. It can think. It can relearn. And then when you've got problems in organisations, and it doesn't have to be at a technical level, it can help you solve problems. It can help you do repetitive tasks more effectively, quicker, and it can just help the bottom line figure in organisations in terms of things won't cost as much because you won't need so many resources, sadly to say. And it can make the business overall, from a strategy point of view, the business will work a lot more effectively and faster and things like that. And it also can give the client results in a quicker and faster way. Okay, my experience from this seminar is that anyone, including myself, coming from a non-technical background, can understand what AI is all about. This seminar showed me all the different components of how AI fits together. And to me, from a non-technical background, something like that is very important. So, which means that as a project manager, I can go into organisations and understand the AI components altogether. So if I have a project to run in AI, I know how it all fits together, therefore I'll be a bit more effective in terms of my job. And also, speaking to technical people in the team, we'd be on the same page. So it's been really good from that point of view.